I would like to do an unboxing for a product that I just got. I got this scarf heated. And I got it for myself because always it's very cold at my office. So I found this product really good for what I want. Let's see what it comes inside. So it basically comes with the scarf and it comes with this. This is the battery. So this is the battery, super cute. And it comes with this USB dual port charger. It comes, of course, with this, so you can connect it to the wall. This is the cable, and this is the charger. Of course, you just need to put this together and connect the cable with the battery of the scarf. It also a water-resistant scarf, so you don't have to be worried about if it gets wet or if you're drinking water and it get wet. You don't have to be worried because it's a water-resistant scarf. Open this pocket and you're gonna find a cable inside. So this cable you need just connected to the battery here and just introduce the battery here on the pocket. So just close it and we just need to put it on. So in order to turn on the scarf, you just need to press the button for about 3 seconds. So we're gonna do it. 1, 2, 3, and you're gonna see the scarf that it's on right now. Then if you press one more time, you're gonna see a white color, which means that you're using the medium temperature of the heaters. And then I'm gonna press one more time. You're gonna see the blue light. The blue light means that you are using the lowest temperature of the heater. So I love the product. I'm very happy to get this product, and I recommend that. Not 100%, 1000%, because it's really cool. I really like it. It's super lightweight. It feels very comfy, and I can take it whatever I want. So I really like it. I recommend it. I love it.